This salmon rice recipe went viral on TikTok, and it's easy to see why. Mashed salmon mixed with rice and condiments, then served with nori seaweed and avocado. It's like a sushi roll in bowl form. I'd eat one any day. And just maybe I'm eating one right now. You don't know my life. But there's one ingredient in this viral recipe that we're focusing on today, and that's Kewpie mayonnaise. So what makes Kewpie mayo so unusual? Where does it come from? How long has it been around? And what does it taste like? Keep watching, and mayo, you'll learn all the fun facts about this trendy condiment. While the French created mayonnaise and Americans popularized it, Kewpie mayo hails from Japan. Now it's making its rounds on social media. In 1925, a Japanese student named Toichiro Nakashima returned home from the United States. While he was in the US, he tried mayonnaise for the first time. The condiment was not available in Japan at the time. Nakashima decided to concoct a recipe to fit better with Japanese tastes. It contained double the amount of egg yolks, giving it a golden hue. He added rice wine vinegar and MSG to finish his new recipe. Those changes made Kewpie different from American mayonnaise, which uses whole eggs and regular vinegar instead of rice wine. Though subtle, these modifications make it distinctly Japanese. The first batch of Kewpie mayonnaise came in glass jars, and the company sold over 600 kilograms in its first year. Japanese consumers loved it so much that Kewpie sold over 7 tons of mayo the next year. During World War II, the company had to stop production. Luckily, they were back in action by 1948. While Kewpie is no longer the only company that makes this special golden mayo, it is still the undisputed leader producing it. Why is it so popular? The extra egg yolks make it silky and rich, almost like a savory custard. Kewpie also uses premium eggs. The eggs are as fresh as possible, no older than 3 days, and come from pasture-raised chickens that eat premium feed. The rice wine vinegar offers sweet and tangy notes, while the MSG gives the mayo its signature umami punch. If you want to add richness and complexity to your egg salad or spicy tuna roll, use Kewpie mayo. You can taste it in traditional Japanese dishes like the street food okonomiyaki, a savory pancake loaded with vegetables and meat and topped with bonita flakes made of dried smoked tuna. For the finishing touch, it gets drizzled with our star ingredient, Kewpie mayo. Kewpie mayo is a beloved ingredient worldwide and has set the gold standard for mayonnaise. If you love condiments, check out the strange and slightly gross history of ketchup. Find out all about this everyday sauce on another episode of Origins of Food.